Okay, guys.
Ayaw, sorry ka pala, Paul.
The blood moon. I'm literally I'm doing it up. So of it. Look at that! Look at that moon!
Full na siya, hapit na.
Ikay gunit.
Na, nagawin po lilik. Nice. Nice. Look, sagara, pinanakaabot ko yan. Ako na yun, ako na kaya
Okay. Guys, that thing that akong kamot nagkurug-kurug.
Ako sad.
Ako pon.
Usually wala di tay pakike. Ang anak man may gabantay good. Si Lauro sad. Uy, kami ho. Ganina ka bagak ko yung hayo.
Ako.
Karon kini puwa na siya. Puwa na siya. Oh, kung kaabot ng 7:30 nga. Ako sad. Curious kay ko nga kuan.
Pwede ko malingkod, ma?
Ala ko kahugol. Ayo, lingkod na kuan ha kay nagpajama na ka.
Okay.
7 din siya, oh. 7 din siya na full of red, oh. Pero ang peak lang ito niya, 7:30. It's like red na red. Red na red. Okay, so.
Focus on the reds because that's the moon. I am just, my hands are just so shaky. Why?
Kahit ka gano'n siya ang kuan, 7. Mag-peak mayo ka ng community kung red. 8 ko no, mamila play. Ha? 8 ko no.
My daddy knows that.
No, I checked the internet. It said 7:30 is the peak and 8 is the last, like the last.
What's the last one?
Like it will turn back to normal ba?
PM. It's gonna be like, the red one's gonna be like, the red one's gonna be like until 8:30. But the peak is 7:34.
So we're not gonna see it.
We're gonna see it if we will wait here.
So when it's gonna be 8, we're not gonna kita.
Yeah.
And it will be like the normal moon now. Later. The lunar eclipse is actually crazy. Guys.
Hey guys, what's the reason why is there like blood moon?
It's an eclipse.
A lunar eclipse.
Hey Jiggle. Hey Jiggle, get out. Hey, get out. Get out. You get out.
Activity.
Biyang Kalaro.
Yeah. I'm videoing the moon here.
There blood moon.
It's super nice, you know.
What? Blood moon or black moon?
Oh, it's special.
I said blood moon.
When it's gonna name na. Kapit na? Kapit na.
It's a total lunar eclipse. The earth moves between the sun and the moon. Ano naman sila, uy? Instead of going complete the whole first day.
Okay. Guys, focus on the red thingy. Red thingy. Focus on the red thingy because that's a lunar eclipse. Focus on the red thingy. That's like constantly moving. That because my tablet is moving. Guys, can you please stop? Bro!
Where's actually the camera?
There. Bro! I literally zoomed in.
Kailan po yung murag didlak ba?
Yang mag-ilim. Pero kasi lang alab na pusoy. Di kasi mo buhay. Lupang inilang.
Nagtawag Zula ba eh?
Right, sabi na ko makita ka. Stop doing that, Diego.
Nagano na po.
Di ako si...
Dala.
Awan, ako ata. Kasi nakita na sa ako.
Wala na tweet. Na picture ko. Ano na tweet na? Ano na tweet?
Ikaw, ay,
Ano na tweet na na? It looks like the planet Mars. No, it looks like the planet Mars.
moon looks like moon.
O, manghut ko. Ayaw gawas sa'yo. Kutos na ka.
I'm not scared, ma.
Wala ko nag-name drop. Nile, kung sa mga kaming doha, o kaming doha, kaming
Wow, ganda tawa. Ako, ang cellphone niya, ninja.
May penyuhas, cellphone, nakuha tab.
Yup, ay nakati.
totality start for red. Maximum sleep is 7:34.
Mo ato na tayo ka 7:34 kapin, ma.
Oh, God. Ito na ko ng red dude. What? Red? Red ko si Mas kasi more than. Red dude.